well, that was a very epic fail. So I tried carrying the box, this big old box, to my car, and then I realized how small the Z was, and it did not fit. It's a pretty big box. Look at my Squirtle, guys. My Squirtle is huge, and it is about as big as a Squirtle. So now the box is back here, so I'm gonna do an unboxing here, and then take all the parts to my car. So we got the MORIMOTO headlights in, finally. I've been waiting 2 months for this. I think I ordered it in mid-April. I know you guys are waiting for this mod as well. A lot of you guys have ordered it, probably pre-ordered it and waiting for it. I am so excited to finally have mine in. Check it out right there, MORIMOTO. This is something the Z definitely needed, especially for a car that's been 13 years old on the exterior. This is something we definitely needed. Oh, it's a box inside of a box, guys. That's awesome. It's literally a big box inside of another box. Okay, cool. Turn this sideways, pull out the box inside. All right, I think this is one headlight right here. Well, the good news is that I can actually just take these two boxes in the Z and it'll fit. Voila! Okay, headlight. All right, so opening up one of the two boxes to show you guys what it's all like. I just opened it up. It has these gray packaging. There's the headlight. Oh my god. All right, let me show you guys. Here it is. So you get those little gray bubbling on the outside. There's the headlight. There's the DRL overlay right there. And I believe underneath there's just some more packaging. So this is what it actually looks like. Oh my god, look at that. The 3x Xenon headlights with the strip right there. Dude, I am so excited. Oh my goodness. Alright, fail attempt number 2. The two boxes did not fit. So there's one headlight, and then the second headlight is back there. So I literally just took them out the boxes, and they're still in that little safe protecting code. I don't know if you can see it through here, but yeah, they're both in now. The reason I'm gonna have to put it in my car is because I have to take it to Dylan's house. I live in an apartment, and there's nowhere to work on my car here. So we're gonna take it to Dylan's house now. We're good to go, so I'll see you guys there. Before we head over to Dylan's, I just want to show you guys the old headlights one last time. So everybody knows this is how they are on the Z's. I do have the Nismo headlights, so they do have the black housing on them already. The difference won't be in the housing itself, but the actual headlight itself. So I know a lot of people in their Z's have like the whole clear headlight, the white, which doesn't look as good. So going to these will be a major upgrade, but these do have the black, but it's just this part that's different. So this is what it looks like before, guys. Just check it out. All right, just got to Dylan's house. Coincidentally, Dylan's installing a mod today as well. Installing the Steven.
Dylan's installing the mod? Or am I installing the mod?
Stillen? Is it Steven or Stillen?
I think it's Stillen.
Stillen? Stillen carbon fiber wing on his Q60. Anyways, guys, the more important news is the MORIMOTO headlights. This is gonna be so exciting. So the install shouldn't be too bad. So from what I can tell, you gotta take off, I think 8 or 10 millimeters under. And then there's 4, 8 or 10 millimeters right here. There should be a tab back here, tab on the other side. The whole front bumper should come off. There should be like some 10 millimeters across those. Take the headlights off. The entire thing is almost plug and play, except the DRLs. You gotta wire that up to the battery. We should be good to go. Let's just take a look at them real quick. Look at it. Oh my god, it looks so sexy.
This is sketch, Dylan.
Look at this. This is so nice, guys. Alright, so we actually didn't end up taking the bumper off. There's like this harness that doesn't want to come off, but it's fine. You don't have to do it. You still have access to the whole tail light, headlight, I mean. So, literally, there's like 3 10 millimeters, and there was one up here, one on the side, and like one over here. And there's like this rubber thing up here. So yeah, there's like 3 10 millimeters that you have to take off on each side. And then there's 2 harnesses you unplug, one right here, and then that push pin. Same thing here. 1, 2, 3 on the side, and there's like a push pin that comes off the top. It's not that bad. And then I think now we have to take the brackets off the bottom because they have to go on the new headlights. So you don't have to take your bumper off. It does make it easier to work under, but it's possible. So now the headlights are off. There's 2 brackets that you have to take off from your old headlights. It's this white piece and this black piece right here. Once again, the white piece and the black piece from your old headlights. Make sure you get those 2 brackets on the new headlights. And then I think for the sequential, so these don't come sequential. It has like that flashing, but to get it sequential, I think you have to unplug this connector right here. But let me confirm that, I'll get back to you guys. You have to unplug one of them to make it sequential, so we'll try that real quick. So we just hooked up just the harness right now. We haven't messed with the DRLs yet, but Dylan's gonna go ahead and turn it on from the inside. Alright, so I think that's on. Oh my goodness.
Spicy.
Dude, that's nasty, bro. Look at that. Oh my god.
Oh, it's kind of like the Lego lights. I like it.
Yeah.
Bro, it looks sick, bro.
That's nasty, dude. Can you turn the signal? Like turn right?
Yeah.
So that's what it looks like with the turn signal, the sequential.
Do left signal. Or yeah, go right. Never mind.
Yeah, go left. I just want to see if it'll turn off. Okay, yeah. So here's the difference between sequential and then this is just flashing. So you guys have the option. All you have to do is just disconnect that little harness that I showed you guys earlier, which is this one right here. So if you leave it plugged in, you will get this one right here, which is the blinking. If you unplug it, you'll get sequential. I personally think this looks a lot better, so I'm gonna end up doing that on both sides right now. But this is what it looks like right now. Go ahead and turn the headlights on. So that's daytime running lights. There you go. That's the actual headlights on. Both of them look super, super good. You can't tell how bright it is because it's really bright outside, but right now it looks really good. We'll try it again at night. So let's go ahead and put everything back together. Looks pretty good right now. All right, to get the daytime running lights working on here, bring the wire all the way through here. There's a fuse box all the way back here. You have to remove this plastic piece back here. And then it's gonna be 10A right here, which is
The starter
IG, okay? And it's that one right here. So you just click that one back in and you can push all that back in and you'll get daytime running lights back working on here. All right guys, finally done with the install. Put everything back together. Putting back everything is pretty easy. It's just a reverse process. Just make sure you guys don't forget that 110mm that's all the way up in there. Guys, this looks so good. Look at this. If you look at that. Oh, that looks so beautiful. So we're gonna go and do one last test, see what it looks like with the car on. The only issue I'm having right now is that my daytime running lights aren't working, but I don't know why. We even put the OEM headlights back on to see and it wasn't working. Maybe something got loose, but we'll have to figure that out another time. But those are what the daytime MORIMOTO looks like. Looks pretty sick. Turn them on fully. That's what it looks like, guys. That looks freaking amazing. I'm sure at night it'll look way better. So I'll try to get a clip at night before we end this video off. But that's just, oh, those are the high beams. I just wanted to make this video just on the actual install. I'll put up the guide as well in description so y'all can follow that, follow the video, whatever you need to. But I'll make a review of the entire headlights after driving in a couple days. But this is just the install video, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this. That's gonna go ahead and end this install on the MORIMOTO headlights. One time for the one time, let's do it one more time, guys. Oh, that looks so beautiful. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Quick little install. Actually, not quick. Usually it's pretty quick, but this was not that quick. I think install time's about maybe an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. It's not that bad. It took a long time because I was trying to figure out my daytime running lights, but we'll have to save that for another day. Guys, the car is really coming along, man. Check this out. With the roof wrap and everything. That's going to be another video. We should wait for that, guys. It's really coming along. We're about to go to meet today. Probably post that in another video. Also, Dylan just installed a spoiler. I think that'll be a perfect closeout to this video. Take care, guys.
I got the Goog on!
How's the spoiler, bro?
Hey, it looks sick, right?
Yeah, it looks live. It looks really good. It literally looks like a G-Star on the back, bro. I'm telling you, man.
Hey, close out the video.
Hey, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, guys.
Yeah. Hey, your daytime running lights turned on. Look at it. Hey, this shit's live now. Yeah, they just came on. Maybe they needed a charge or something.
That thing is super bright. The camera isn't doing this justice because it's so bright, but it looks so good. Turn it. Turn it on. Oh my god, it's so bright, guys. You can't really see like the individual like diamonds. I don't know, but it looks super sick. They're super bright, guys. Oh my goodness. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna do a full review after driving them for a week or so. But it looks pretty sick for now. Go back to the other one. Good. That looks nice. Turn signal.
Oh, here. Ooh, look, I like how that thing, the seat looks too, so loud.
Oh, I didn't even notice that.
It's kind of like off though.
Can I do the other side?
You know what I'm saying?
I do it with the headlights off, but the daytime running light. Oh yeah. I do this side. Oh yeah. What? Did he just leave with my car, bro? Bro, he just left. Alright guys, I told Dylan to move my car literally right here so I can look at it with the headlights. That guy's gone, bro.
He can't get a second, he's gonna stall.
He can't get out. What the hell, bro?